Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So as you just shared this file with me, and I saw that there are some drop downs you are using. So you are using basically the filtered list of auction. So what I've did, I've added the criteria. So if there is a word auction in this status and the closing bid is not there, no values for there, and the properties has the address, it will take this address, it will go to the Gmail and it will find if it has a matching address in here with the status of sold to third party and completed. And yes, the additional thing that the email is coming from dot auction domain, I guess. So it will take these three things in consideration. Yep. Taking all three things in consideration and pulling the data from the email, which is this one. So it will go here and it will find this value in here. So let me add this email, this address, because the address you just shared with me doesn't have these listing. The email you just shared with me has different addresses, and on the sheets we have some different addresses. So what I'll do, I'll select all, I'll go to the bottom, I'll add this another email address, the address in here. I'll add the same status of auction so that it can find, yes, it's an auction and we want to have the data. And let me add these two on the other sheet as well. So now we have the auction and the address is here. Now I will run the setup. So what I've did, I have given an additional setup in here. So let me refresh and show you again. So it should show up the menu now. So yes, yeah, we have this setup closing bid calls. So this is only one time thing. You have to click it only one time. As soon as you will click on it, it will check every hour from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. your time. So when you will click on this, it will start working on it. So uh, let me run it currently through the code part to show you the values on the closing bids. Let me run it through the code so that you can see. Currently, you can see we don't have any closing bids in this ones, and we don't have any closing values. Let me filter out these only auctions. Okay, we have these values in this sheet. So I have coded these sheets, hard coded. I have not used the file name because I'm expecting that there will be different file names for each time. So I am using the sheet IDs instead of the names. So now you can see we don't have any values in here, and on this sheet we don't have values in here as well. So now I'll run the automation from the code part. It should be running now. Now you will see these values will get updated shortly. So this is the first sheet. Yeah, here you can see the values are in here for the sheet one, and shortly you will be seeing the values in here as well. So you can see the values are same, and yes, it's taking these only these inputs and the auction in this status column to pull the values. So that is it. Yes, it is user friendly. So you don't, if you will change the name, or maybe you will maybe a new data with some different names. So you can just paste the data in here and it will automatically check every hour from 11 a.m. to 1700 hours, 1100 hours to 700 1700 hours every hour check. And if there will be like this will not get updated again if there is another email with the same address until this is empty. So if this is empty, it will go back and check for the auctions status and address without any closing bid. Then it will take these details into the Gmail, pull out the values for closing bid and spit out these in here. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if I missed something or if you need any further clarification on anything. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.